How long do I need to cook frozen hash browns on a frying pan?
Hello there, culinary adventurers. Today, we're tackling a breakfast staple, frozen hash browns. If you've been wondering just how long you need to cook frozen hash browns on a frying pan to get that beautiful golden crisp, you're in the right place.
What do I need?
Before we start cooking, let's gather all the necessary items. You'll need a non-stick frying pan, frozen hash browns, cooking oil or butter, salt and pepper, optional, but recommended for seasoning, a spatula.
How long to thaw the hash browns?
Do you need to thaw frozen hash browns before cooking? Not at all. While some recipes might suggest you do, you can skip that step. Cooking your hash browns from a frozen state will not affect their texture or flavor negatively.
How to cook frozen hash browns?
Here's the fun part: cooking the hash browns. Follow these steps. 1. Heat your non-stick frying pan over medium-high heat. 2. Add enough oil or butter to coat the bottom of the pan, about 2 tablespoons. 3. Add your frozen hash browns in a single layer. 4. Cook for about 7 minutes, then flip using a spatula. The hash browns should be golden brown. 5. Cook for another 7 minutes on the other side until it's golden brown as well. 6. Season with salt and pepper to taste.
How long does it take?
All in all, cooking frozen hash browns should take about 15 minutes to 7 minutes per side. Keep in mind, cooking times may vary slightly depending on the thickness of the hash browns and your stove's heat. And there you have it. Perfectly cooked, crispy golden hash browns in just 15 minutes. No need for thawing, just straight from the freezer to your frying pan. Enjoy your delicious breakfast side, and don't forget to season for that extra flavor punch. Happy cooking!